Hello, my name is Tiago Nonato and I'm an Associate Director from Quality Management, DevOps and Automation area here in Noesis, responsible for testingON product. Did you know that testingON is an innovative test automation tool and that it now comes with exciting new features? It's true, you can now generate user stories from documentation, generate manual test cases from those user stories and automatically execute manual test specifications. Wow! All of this is made possible thanks to Gen AI, which is transforming how QA teams plan, execute and maintain their tests. Today, we can accelerate multiple critical steps, from generating user stories to generating test cases, whether in documents or in tools like Azure DevOps or Jira. But that's not all. By combining generative AI with advanced object recognition algorithms, we can automatically execute manual tests, eliminate repetitive tasks, and increase reliability. We are also developing self-healing capabilities. This means that when a test fails, the AI identifies whether the issue lies in the application or in the script itself. If it's a script, the system automatically finds a new selector and corrects the flow in real time, allowing the test to continue without any manual intervention. Additionally, we are developing an intelligent chat tool for testers, enabling them to access project information stored in Jira, Azure DevOps, or in any associated documentation. Through continuous learning cycles, the model provides increasingly accurate and relevant answers. The goal is very clear: to create an AI-powered testing ecosystem that reduces costs, accelerates delivery, and frees QA teams to focus on what really matters: high-value tasks. Are you ready to transform your testing? Contact us and discover the full power of testingON.